common error. Earlier I was showing you security error, now space error. When working with DTA, you may see minimum storage space required error like this. Minimum storage space required error in this way. Here it is DTA error. It says minimum storage space required for selected physical design structure. Physical design structure means indexes, partitions, and statistics. Exceeds the default storage space. So what we do? Simple. Go to tuning option, right side advanced option, define max space, and you give some space, say 100 MB for now. And recommendation, all indexes to be by default online. You can also make it online. Default offline, you make it online if required. Click OK. Click OK. Next. Once we are done, then start analysis like this. Just click on start analysis. Okay, next. Observe carefully. Here you see total of 35% improvement in performance for 4 different indexes like this. Observe carefully. You got 4 different indexes in this way. What we do? Simple. Okay, we get the required content ready. Now, from here, click on the first one, definition. Click on the definition like this. Click on the definition in this way. Next. Copy to clipboard. You get the SQL script, right? TSQL script. Copy to clipboard. Copy to clipboard. Close. Launch SSMS and simply run this one. Just ignore the set option and run this statement. From indexes chapter we learnt sort in TempDB on off. Online equal to on off. We learnt it earlier. Now our next step. Let's see. Observe carefully. Drop underscore existing equal to on means if index already exists with the same name, index already exists with the same name. Okay, next, let's see. The index will be automatically dropped and recreated. If index already exists with the same name, simply drop and recreate it. That is called drop underscore existing equal to on. Remaining we know already. The index name will come automatically like this. You can change the name or leave it to default. I repeat, click definition. Copy to clipboard. Next. Create non-clustered index name on table name and run. I repeat, see each of these recommendations, copy and run them in the same order. The recommendations can be for partitions, indexes, and statistics. Like this. You see, create recommendations. There can be recommendations for drop also. Unwanted existing indexes, statistics, and partitions can be recommended for drop. In our example right now, 0 partition recommendations and 3 index, 1 stat. Run them in the same order in which they were recommended. So what? Advantage. 35% improvement in performance once we run these recommendations. So here we are learning how to read or analyze the queries through profiler tool, get one trace, give the result to DTA tool to get the recommendations. DTA will only give recommendations. We need to click each definition manually, copy recommendations, run it manually and verify the result. So we'll practice this item carefully today. And here it is my diagram once again. Please make sure we practice on time for best results, please.